Yeah, very good morning, friends. Welcome to Kishan's University of Sustainability. We are in line with the Sustainable Development Goals. Those are 17 goals with 169 targets. So, first of all, I want to congratulate, say my greetings on the occasion of Independence Day and happy Independence Day to all the viewers and fellow Indian citizens. And you know very well about how our freedom fighters has taken a step towards to develop our country's economic point of view and even development point of view. So today, in these days, we have to take a pledge towards one more. What is that sustainable development pathway? So we have to strive towards to develop the sustainable development in the all angles of the society. So in that case, we have to take and we have to follow the institutions and in government sustainable development goals towards to take a pledge towards to practice the sustainable practices. So in this video, we are going to talk about the sustainable business and what about the sustainable business initiatives and what are the alliances there for sustainable business. And so in this video, we are going to talk about the main important one, the Center for Sustainable Business, which was there in New York University. So how the center is striving towards sustainable business through his research and sustainable initiatives, and we will discuss in this video. And first of all, we will talk about what is sustainable business. Yes, sustainable business is nothing but it's a green business, taking green practices in the business activities from manufacturing to the end distribution aspect. So here, and the growing number of organizations, there are a number of organizations are growing day by day, or integrating sustainability into their business strategy. So according to the recent study, which was done by McKinsey, and 70% of respondents said that companies have a formal governance of sustainability in their practices. So now we have to understand what is sustainability mean in the business. So according to Harvard Business School, has mentioned that in business, the sustainability means doing business without negatively impacting the environment, community, and society as a whole. So sustainability goal majorly focusing on main categories: affect business eyes on the environment, affect business eyes on society at large. The goal of sustainable business strategy is to make positive impact on at least one of those areas. So the companies are taking a pledge towards to consider in their practices the areas like environmental, economic, and social factors while they're taking business decisions and business practices. And what are the examples of sustainability in business? So we can discuss like sustainable business strategies are unique to each and every organization based on their portfolio, based on their operational overview. They have to take the decision regarding sustainable activity. So some of the examples sustainability in business, like using sustainable materials in their manufacturing processes, optimizing supply chain to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and relying on renewable energy sources to power facilities, and sponsoring education funds for youth in the local community. So these are all we can call it as sustainable practices or sustainable factors in the business operations. And sustainability can drive business very successfully because several investors nowadays, they are pointing that they're using the environmental social governance metrics In a nutshell, that is ESG metrics to analyze the organizational ethical impact and sustainability impact on the society, on the environment at large. So most of the ESG investors, sustainability investors, look at factors such as company's carbon footprint, water usage, community development efforts, and board diversity. All these factors is going to impact on your investment decision as well as the financial health of the corporation. The research shows that companies with high ESG rating have a lower cost of debt and equity, and their sustainability initiatives can help improve the financial performance. According to McKinsey, nearly 3,000 employees say that strongest motivating factors to adapting a sustainable mindset are to align with the company's goals, missions, and values, build, maintain, and improve reputation, meet customers' expectations, and develop new growth opportunities. So these all about how sustainability has to take into the business activity. And so these are the, sustainability according to the Harvard Business School. And next, we are talking about the World Business Council for Sustainable Development. So the World Business Council, it is actually a global and CEO-led organization, so which involves all the world 200 leading businesses. They are working together to transform the world into sustainable business world. They are majorly focusing on helping to member companies to more successful and sustainable, and focusing on maximum positive impact for shareholders and environment and society at large. The World Business Council for Sustainable Development has targeted that realization of sustainable development goals through 6 major working programs to achieve the transformation of sustainable world. Those areas like circular economy, working on sustainable cities, sustainable buildings, and green buildings and green mobility, and taking actions towards the climate and renewable energy and sustainable food, and making nature a sustainable place to all the organisms, and for the people and society at large, and redefining value. These are the core principles or core areas of World Business Council for Sustainable Development is working towards to transform the traditional world into the sustainable business world. And this is about and here, next we are going to talk about here, the New York University has started the Center for Sustainable Business in 2016 towards to make a sustainable business initiatives and operations, and also aware the people towards how to maintain a sustainable business and how to take the situations, initiatives towards to good for environment and society at large. And in this, the New York State University develops and the major original research and majority of initiatives taken towards the performance of sustainable practices, like written on sustainability investment and research on nexus between ESG and financial performance. And here, the New York State University STEM Center for Sustainable Business develops main research areas like tracking the financial case for sustainability, shifting from short-term shareholding value creation to long-term stakeholder value, and engaging customers around sustainability and sustainability-driven innovation and business opportunities. So the ROSI methodology is going to reveal that embedding sustainability into core business strategy benefits all areas of corporate metrics. And also, the sustainability drives business and society success, according to this New York Center of Sustainable Business. And the sustainability efforts, they are going to seek to address the environmental, social governance related issues. So the ROSI methodology to bridge the gap between sustainable strategies and financial performance and helping to build a better business case for both current and planned sustainability initiatives. And also for corporate management, the ROSI written on sustainable investment drives better performing business in terms of socially, environmentally, and financially. And also it will give a better decision-making path towards to take, cut down the cost and to get the more benefits. And the ROSI improves decision-making and valuation and communications and by better understanding the ESG data and ESG strategies. So all this about and the ROSI. And the major research finding of New York University Center for Sustainable Business. And what was the nexus between the ESG practice and financial performance and sustainable practice and financial performance? And the center has developed a relationship between ESG and financial performance through meta-analysis of 1,000 studies. The meta-studies examining the relationship between environmental, social and governance and financial performance. And almost all articles the center covers were written before 2015. The analysis found positive correlation between ESG performance and operational efficiency, stock performance, moreover, lower cost of capital. In collaboration with Rockefeller Asset Management and Cassie Clark CFA, the New York University Stern Center for Business, Sustainable Business examines the relationship between ESG and financial performance in more than 1,000 research papers from 2015 to 2020. And here, what are the key takeaways from the research on nexus between ESG and financial performance? They mention the research results like improved financial performance due to ESG becomes more noticeable over longer time. And ESG integration as an investment strategy performs better than negative screening approaches. And ESG investing provides downside protection, especially during a social and economic crisis. And sustainability initiatives at corporations appears to drive better financial performance due to mediating factors such as improved risk management and more innovation. And studies indicates that managing for a low carbon future improves financial performance. And ESG disclosure on its own does not drive financial performance, but we have to take a decision towards, like the New York University Center for Sustainable Business, every business operation, every business organization has to take a step towards to integrate sustainable disclosure practices and sustainable practices into their main business activity. Then it leads to not only for good for society, it also good for the internal aspects like improving the investment portfolio and improving the financial health and improving the financial performance. And also it's going to cut down the cost of capital, and also it improves the overall well-being of the society with the motive of sustainable development in all aspects. And thank you very much, dear viewers. I hope you got a new information today. And I'm very humble if you feel this is a very informative. Uh, Please share with your friends and needed fellows. Thank you very much. If you have any queries regarding this, and put on your thought on comment box. Thank you very much, and keep smiling. And once again, happy Independence Day.